remember I said I had a whole bunch of pictures, right? I really thought Aaliyah was like my best friend or something. Like, I used to just cut out all her pictures. Like, I was so in love with this lady. Like, no homo, but that was my idol. Like, when she died, that shit was crazy. Like, look at all these damn pictures I got of Aaliyah. I used to have it up on my wall. It was like a whole Aaliyah wall that I had. And what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to end up putting these on my altar. And she can be one of my spirits for that. Because I resonate with her a lot. And these ain't even all my Aaliyah pictures. Like, it's still a whole bunch more somewhere mixed up in there. But I just went through this part and I started cracking up laughing. What are these tickets for? No refunds. General admission. I don't know what the fuck these tickets are. I don't know. I forgot what the fuck I went to. I think it was for the hair show or something like that. I thought it was. But yeah, I just thought that was funny, y'all.